Hello everyone, I'm Jerry. Oh look at that, 7 gems and I have a super magical chest. Okay, and welcome back to Clash Royale. Let's open my free chest first. Oh yeah, I just saw something. Okay. Oh, this looks cool, but never mind. Okay, and also I have a rage spell. Why did I say free spell? Okay, now let's go and request for some cards, and then I will go and open the super magical chest. Let's open it in 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gold. Whoa, that's a lot of gold. Oh no. P.E.K.K.A. Yay. Don't even need P.E.K.K.A. I have my mini P.E.K.K.A. That's fine. Cannon. Yeah, I love cannon. Goblin barrels. Yeah, I love that. No, I don't. And mirror. Bombers. Furnace. The last one. Yeah. Okay. Nice. I have a P.E.K.K.A. now, which I want to use now. Oh, actually, hey, this is nice. Can I buy this? Tornado. Let's buy this in 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bought it. I did it. Okay, let's use this. Wi-Fi, no. Okay, I have just reloaded this game, and here we go. Wi-Fi works a bit. And now let's go to... Oh. I can upgrade my skeleton army, which I don't even use it now. So let's upgrade my mirror. What does that mean? Okay, let's use my new card, Tornado, and okay, you can go away, Arrow. Okay, and let's go for an attack battle thing. Let's do this. Hope I win. So first, I'm going to put the Valkyrie, and then the Witch. Ready for this? Ready for it? Oh Jesus! What happens if I do this now? Oh, look at the chips! Lol, it's so fun. No, kill the Valkyrie! No, kill the Valkyrie! Kill the Valkyrie! Oh Jesus! It's dead. My witch is dead. No. Oh, look at my musketeer. She's going good. And the minions was just tanking for the musketeer. No, I don't have arrows. So I guess mini P.E.K.K.A. can help. I guess. Yeah, let's put the Valkyrie right there, and then I'm going to put the right. Oh, I'm joking. Let's put the knight. Barbarians are always hard to kill, especially there's a barbarian hut. It's so hard to kill. Trust me. No, barbarian, stop. Oh my god. No. Okay. I'm glad that I have this. What happens if I put it there? Magic! Fireball! Who likes magic? not me. Okay, let's put the rage spell. Yay! Yeah, guys, good job. Oh yeah. I think I'll never try tornado with the this is gonna be fun. Yay! Oh, look at that! Coolest thing ever. So let's put all the thing right there, and also a rage spell. Go, guys! Yay! No. Just gonna pull them. No! Skeleton armies gonna die. Okay, let's put the monster tier right there. Go, guys, please win for me. I kind of need a knight. Okay, this mini P.E.K.K.A. destroyed the enemy witch. And here we go, we won this round. Against this, whatever that guy is. Thank you for the goblin heart. Okay, and now the internet doesn't work, and let's use this deck. It's pretty much the same, so... Oh, balloon. Gonna upgrade my balloon. Yeah, balloon. Should I try the P.E.K.K.A. instead of the mini P.E.K.K.A? Let's do this. This is gonna be crazy. Wait, what? Look at this guy's name. I think I've seen it before. Somewhere. Oh, going on this side with goblins. Jesus, look at my tower. This guy is killing my tower. Oh my god. Okay, let's go for the left side because the witch is right there. So why not? Nearly destroyed his tower. Oh, this is why you have arrows. It's better to kill the hog rider first, guys. Help. Stupid fireball. Okay. Let's put the hog rider in. Hog rider! And the hog rider gonna one-shot the tower. Look at that. Magical hog rider. No, I need to put a witch. Otherwise the P.E.K.K.A. can't defend off that things. Oh no, hog rider on the other side, are you serious? Okay, let's put minions there. Minions. You must have minions. They are so good. Oh no. Oh, why did I put the Valkyrie there? I need an elixir collector. Oh, it's a chance. It's a chance here, guys. It's a... Go, arrow, go. Oh. No! What? Oh, by the way, I'm level 8. So that's why my tower is so good. No! Oh, help. Please help. Musketeer on the right, help me. I need help. Double witch! I need to put a P.E.K.K.A. down. I must put a P.E.K.K.A. down. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming! No! Arrow for the day. Look at that, Valkyrie just got killed. One shot, oh! 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 Jesus! That was scary, guys. No! Guys. Oh, 2 more skeletons left. Oh no, 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 there is. Okay, tell you what, I'm going to four gems. Okay, fine. I come to the challenges. I guess I'm going to do it in the next video. So now I'm going to end the video here, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, what's that? I can draw something. Oh, I never knew that. I'm going to do some... I said pink. Pink. Where is pink? Whee! This is actually fun. Okay, oh look at that mega minion. Okay, bye!